Some parts of the area, so just give yourself a few extra minutes as you hit the road for this morning. We should see that burn off and lift off by the lunch hour. Mild through the weekend. We have temperatures in the 60s. Get out there, enjoy it, hang those Christmas lights, do some yard work in December because those above average temperatures, they are not going to stick around. Come Monday, we're looking at some cold temperatures, heavy rain back in the forecast, possibly some snow and sleet areas north and west of the area in the higher elevations. And then we could be looking at our first winter storm of the season, rain and snow likely for the midweek. So we'll talk all about that here in the next few minutes. Right now, we're starting off with temperatures across the board, and it's a wide range of temperatures for this morning. North and west, you're seeing 30s across the board, mid-30s and 40s at Dulles, 36 in Frederick. Good morning to you. 46 in Gaithersburg, right here in the district, about 43. 50 in Annapolis and areas to the south as well. Leonardtown was in the 50s, so off to a cool start for you down there in Leonardtown. But current visibility across the area, this has been taking a toll here throughout the morning. We've started to see those numbers continuously go down to about a quarter of a mile in Annapolis. Really seeing some dense fog in Baltimore. So if you're traveling along I-95 or you have plans to, even throughout 10, 11 o'clock, you could still be dealing with some patchy fog. Just give yourself a few extra minutes. We should see some breaks in the cloud coverage to get some peaks of sunshine this afternoon. All of this, though, out ahead of the next weather maker here. I don't think that we will see much for rain from this cold front that is marching its way from the Midwest to the Mid-Atlantic and the Northeast. However, of course, you're seeing the cloud coverage that will be staying with us throughout much of today, and also as we head into the evening hours tonight. We could even see some overnight rain showers. With the cloud coverage, though, temperatures staying very much so on the cool side and above average for this time of year in December, so take advantage of that as well. It will be a nice cool start to your Sunday. Look at the cloud coverage, the rain showers moving in. You'll probably be sleeping by 3 o'clock, 4 a.m. when you start to see them work their way through the area, and then it clears up. You could see a little bit more sunshine as well Sunday afternoon, but the cloud coverage will be staying with us as we head into Sunday night. So we are looking at two models here. We've been monitoring this in the Fox 5 weather team closely for you. So I want to start off with the European model. We have two systems here. On Monday, for both models, I'm looking like heavy rain across parts of the area, and then you'll start to see on the backside of that maybe some snow and sleet mixing in the higher elevations and well into western Maryland. I don't think we'll see much for accumulation with that. On Tuesday, drying out, a lot of colder air in place. Now, timing and the position of the low pressure system for a Wednesday event depends on everything. If we can see several inches of snow or a few inches of snow. European model showing that comes in later into the morning hours. With that being said, a little bit of mixing going on across the district and seeing some snow on the backside. That could lower the chances for snowfall as far as how much snow we'll get. Now we look at the America model. If you are a snow lover, you are rooting for this model. This starts to show the preset move in earlier into the morning hours. Heavy rain, though, across southern Maryland, St. Mary's County, looking like Montgomery County, Frederick County. You could start to see that snow mix out and become a little bit more of a maybe some sleet across the area, and then on the backside into western Maryland and the higher elevations, you could see several inches of snow. So with that being said, that was more of the model on Monday. Then on Wednesday, of course, we're looking at several inches of snow possible there as that starts to make its way early into the morning hours. We're watching this closely here in the next couple of days. As we get closer, we'll continue to monitor that and put out a snow map, so we'll start to see how things change up. We're still several days out monitoring both systems for you. All right, Tuesday, we clear up. The rain and snow possible on Wednesday, and then much colder for the end of the week. All right, Maureen.
Michelle, thank